So check it out. I made this delicious, creamy, cheesy chicken enchilada recipe. It was so good. It was a crowd pleaser for the whole family. Now I'm going to show you how I made it so you can make it too. I then grabbed 10 flour tortillas, and next I started working on the filling that will go into the tortillas. So for the filling, I used 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken, and to help me save time, I found that a grocery store near me sells rotisserie chicken already shredded, so if you can find that, that'll be great. Then 1 cup Monterey shredded cheese, 1 10-ounce can of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, 1 cup sour cream, and 1 pack of taco seasoning. I put it all in a bowl and began to mix it. And then once I got it all mixed together, I filled the tortillas with the mixture. I pulled out my 9x13 baking dish and then sprayed it with avocado oil. This is going to help it from sticking. After that, I placed the filled tortillas in the baking dish, seam side down. Then it was time for me to make this decadent sauce. So for the sauce, this is what I used. 5 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons flour, 2 cups chicken broth, 1.5 cups of sour cream, and 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. You can use hot or mild, just depends on your tolerance level. I then grabbed a pan and melted the butter, then added the flour and blended it all together. I then added the sour cream, the chicken broth, and the green chilies. Once I got it blended, I poured it over the dish. And topped with 4 cups of Monterey Jack Cheese. Covered it with aluminum foil, and then I put it in the oven to bake for 45 minutes. After baking for 45 minutes, I removed the foil, turned it up to broil, and broiled it for about, I would say, a minute or 2, keeping an eye on it so it didn't burn. And then, creamy chicken enchiladas, so cheesy. I had this with some black beans and some yellow rice. So good.